In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your glass shower doors. First, I'm going to show you how to clean them to remove any soap scum. Then I'm going to show you how to remove any hard water stains left behind that just won't come off. And lastly, I'm going to finish off by showing you how to protect them so they stay cleaner for longer. To clean them, you don't need an expensive glass cleaner. All you need is some vinegar. Feel free to use distilled white vinegar or cleaning vinegar. The difference is distilled white vinegar contains 5% acid and cleaning vinegar is 6% acid. To clean the glass, liberally spray it down with the vinegar and leave the vinegar to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes when you finish. This is called dwell time, and it will give the vinegar time to break down and loosen up any soap scum, which will make removing any buildup super simple because you're allowing the vinegar to do all the heavy lifting for you. After the 2 to 3 minutes has elapsed, grab a blue non-scratch sponge and scrub down the glass. I like to clean from bottom to top because I like to dip my sponge in a cup of water, and I don't want the water to rinse away the vinegar on the bottom of the glass before I've had a chance to wipe it down. After you finish wiping off the glass with your sponge, then rinse the shower with the shower sprayer, or if you don't have a sprayer, you can just keep filling up a cup and pour the water from the top to bottom down the glass. Next, let's talk about removing any hard water stains. To remove them, all you need is some steel wool. This is one of the best cleaning tips I could ever give you because it is magic. And you can do the exact same thing with your chrome water taps and faucets if they have hard water spots. Make sure to get the finest steel wool that you can find, which is the 4-0 grade. If you get an abrasive steel wool, it will scratch big time, and you don't want that. This is the scale at the bottom of the package. It goes from finest to most abrasive, 3 being the most abrasive. You always want to use the 4-0 grade for this job, and you won't have to worry about any type of scratching. I do recommend wearing rubber gloves for this though, so that the steel fibers from the little steel fibers from the wool don't get into your skin. You don't want that. This is very simple. You just scrub the glass with the steel wool and you will see the hard water spots completely disappear like magic. After you finish, you can give it another spray down with your water to rinse away any of those steel wool fibers down the drain. Now that the glass has been cleaned, all the hard water spots have been removed, let's talk about how to keep it that way. I recommend putting a water repellent on the glass. Rain-X is probably the most well known. It's typically used on car windshields, but it works fantastic with glass shower doors as well. Simply spray the glass with the Rain-X. Do one pane at a time. Don't spray the entire shower because you don't want it to dry before you get a chance to buff it in. So do one pane at a time, spray it down with the Rain-X, and buff it in with a microfiber cloth. It's super simple. The way the water repellent works is when the water hits the glass, it will bead up and just fall straight down to the bottom. So that will keep the glass clean and not give the dirt and grime a chance to stick or hard water spots to form. After you have applied the Rain-X to the glass all around the entire shower, to maintain it moving forward, simply squeegee off any water after you take your showers, and your glass will stay crystal clear and clean. From time to time, you will have to repeat the steps in this video, cleaning with the vinegar, but afterwards just reapply the Rain-X and you will be good to go. As I mentioned, you can remove hard water spots from chrome water taps the exact same way. I'll leave that video on the screen now for you, so give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.